In this video, I will show you how to get going with your Kaccounts platform. Your dashboard will provide you with a snapshot of how your business is doing. The cash flow chart will show you your monthly cash flow of your business. You can isolate each account to see how it's doing. The profit and loss graph will show you your income, expenses, and net profit. Again, you can isolate each part to compare. The balance sheet will show you your total assets against the total liabilities of your business. The blue bars are the assets, while the pink and red bars are the liabilities. The due from customers will show you all outstanding sales invoices over a 30-day, 60-day, and a greater than 60-day period. Best to make sure there are no invoices outstanding more than 60 days. The due to suppliers graph will show you all your supplier bills that are outstanding, also over a 30-day, 60-day, and greater than 60-day period. As with your sales invoices, best not to let your supplier bills go unpaid for more than 30 days. The next step is to make sure you're set up correctly on your Kaccounts. Go to the Setup menu on the top right and select Business Setup. You want to make sure all the general settings are correct. You should also upload your business logo. This will appear on all invoices, statements, and other reports you generate from your Kaccounts. The general ledger settings make sure your accounts are set up correctly. Make sure the accounting year is the same as the current financial year of your business. This is important to ensure your transactions are recorded in the correct period. You can create a new accounting year via the Accounting Years menu. If you are VAT registered, make sure your VAT details are entered correctly. If you are selling stock, you can set up default base price calculation to calculate the sale or retail price of your stock. Next would be to set up login accounts for anyone else you would like to have access to your Kaccounts. This could be a colleague, accountant, or anyone else you want to share your accounts with. You will start by giving the person a login name, creating a password which will be unique to them, their full name, and email address. Then set up the access level you would like to give them. For example, an accountant's access to full systems administrator. You can create and configure different access levels from the access setup area of your Kaccounts. Your Kaccounts comes with a default accounting code system, which you can see under the Banking GL Accounts section. All the accounts here have a unique code and are categorized as either revenue, cost of goods sold, general expenses. This is where you will find the bulk of the accounts you will need, for example, traveling, telephone, repairs and renewals, payroll expenses, capital assets, and liabilities. If needed, you can change the name and description of any account or create a new account by clicking on New Account. Once you have completed setup, the next thing to do would be to further customize your Kaccounts with applications you will need to better run your business. On your App Store page, you will find a variety of accounting apps you can install to better run your business. For example, if you buy and sell stock, the Stock Control app will help you fully manage all your inventory. You can also track the performance of each of your stock items. If you manufacture anything, the Manufacturing app will help you monitor all your work in progress. It will also help you manage your production costs and overheads. You can use the Projects app to manage each client or project you're working on. You can easily allocate sales and expenses to each project and instantly see which projects are most profitable in your portfolio. Next will be to create a list of the services and/or products you will be invoicing your customers or clients. Under Customers, go to the Raise Invoice screen. You will see a Add Items link. Here, you will register all the items and services you will be invoicing. Make sure to categorize the item as either a component, charge, or a service. Confirm whether VAT would be applied to the item, and then confirm the type, for example, if the item is manufactured, purchased, or is a service. Select how you would be invoicing each item, for example, per item or per hour. Ensure to click on Editable Description, so you can change the name of the item when invoicing if needed. Finally, if you want, you can upload an image to go with this item. Next, you want to add the contacts of all your customers or clients. You can do this under the Add and Manage Customers area. For each customer, ensure to include their email, as this will be used for emailing invoices and other documents from your Kaccounts. Now that you've created your item list and added all your customers, you're ready to start invoicing. Under Inquiries and Reports, you will find several types of reports you can use to see how your customers and sales are doing. Finally, if you're going to be using suppliers for your business, it would be worth setting up each supplier's account. You can do so under Purchases, Maintenance. If a supplier usually charges you VAT, it will save you time by checking the box Price contains tax. This will automatically deduct the VAT element from the total entered. You can change the purchase account for each supplier based on the supplies. For example, if you run a restaurant, a food supplier's account would be 5,000 materials purchased, while a utilities supplier like British Gas would be 7,200 light and heat. By pre-selecting each supplier's purchase account when registering them would save you time when entering their bills in Kaccounts. Similar to the sales page, under Inquiries and Reports, you will find several forms of reports and inquiries you can make on your suppliers and purchases. I hope you found this video helpful in getting you started with your Kaccounts. If any questions, please contact me on support@mykaccounts.com.